All right, welcome back, eSIM Studios. I just got this in the mail for the case for the Pixel 8 Pro. Now, I'm not familiar with this company, ItSkins, but we will review it nonetheless. It says it has a 3-meter, 10-foot drop protection, antimicrobial defense, and camera and screen protection. It is a hybrid / clear case with a lifetime warranty. Made for Google. Basically, if you see that made for Google, these companies work with Google to make a quote-unquote official case, aftermarket case, anti-drop logo, and it basically shows you all of the construction of this, which it says it's had 1,300 drop tests. You get responsive buttons. I guess 1,300 drop tests with 0 cracks, I'm assuming is what they mean. Hexotech shock absorbing technology, antimicrobial, oversized erased edges to not disrupt your screen, cracks, scratches. And I'm not sure what that is. Is that just raised corners? That's what it means. Interesting. We will link this in the description box if this interests you at all. Look, it's not I wouldn't use this, but my wife is going to use it, so we will review it. And this is the box. I've never opened this. I just got it in the mail. God dang. And what does it have here? This is just some packaging. You can register this for a lifetime warranty. Now, hopefully this doesn't turn yellow. I'm assuming if it does, you could possibly file a claim, or maybe it's if your lifetime warranty, I guess, on the case, right? I guess if your phone breaks, they have no way to prove you were using it on your phone when your phone broke, but it's probably obviously just for the construction of this case. Look, I've never, even on some cheaper cases, they may come apart over time, but typically, you don't really see a case like this coming apart, right? Like the lifetime warranty really doesn't mean anything, honestly, because the cases don't, unless you get a silicone case in the inside of the silicone, how it has, inside of the case, how it has that fabric in there for the back of your phone. Sometimes those super cheap ones, over time, the fabric might peel off. But other than that, I can't remember a time when a case basically broke apart. Interesting case. Wow, look at that. Now, you see, what do they call this? The Hexotech. This part right here on the inside, right there. Let me move this so I can focus on the case. That is on the inside, right? So it's actually smooth here on the border of the device. It's actually smooth, and you get that hexagon type of honeycomb inside of the device. So you can feel it when you rub your thumb or finger on the inside of the case. Interesting. A nice big cutout for the power cable, power cord. You got cutouts for the speakers down below. You have cutout for your mic, and then you have a cutout for your 5G antenna. Look, I don't think I've mentioned this. I don't know why these companies have these cutouts for the 5G antenna. If you could tell, this little part on the device right here, where it looks like a oval inside on the border of the phone, that's actually a 5G antenna. I don't know why some of these case companies, why they cut that out. Because TPU plastic does not interfere with the signal, right? Only the frequencies that that your carrier sends out through these cell towers does not get blocked when the frequency goes to your device. It does not get blocked by TPU. It does not get blocked by polycarbonate, PC, or silicone. It only gets blocked by metal. So if you had foil on there, or for whatever reason you had a metal case, which I've never seen or heard of, but metal will block the aluminum, any type of metal material will block these signals from these cell towers. This plastic, these TPU, does not block the signal. So I don't know why they cut these out. It really it doesn't bother me, but it kind of just bugs me, right? It annoys me that these case companies do that, because that's ugly, right? Like when we put it on in a second, like why? I don't know why they did that. It serves no use. I don't know. Anyways, there is an air pocket. Wow, that's a deep air pocket. Holy crap. I think you can see it right here in this corner. I mean, you can see where the case curves, right at the edge of my thumb, right there. That's where the case curves. All the way up into here is the air pocket. That's probably the deepest air pockets I've ever seen or felt on a case. Is that on all four corners? Yeah, it is. So it's got very, very deep air pockets in all four corners. You do have a clear back. Is that hard? Yeah, that's hard. So this looks like a hard, clear back, hard polycarbonate, I'm assuming. And then the sides are softer material. So you can bend that. It's easier to take your case in and out it's easier to take your phone in and out of this case. You can tell I'm bending it. But on the back here, it is not bendable, right? It's pretty stiff. I mean, you can do that, obviously, but you can't, like on some cheap silicone cases, or like this case, that doesn't have the hard polycarbonate back, you can bend it, right? This one, you can't really do that. That gives it a nice solid construction. Goes on nice and easy. Looks nice on this blue Pixel. Now, another interesting thing, it's raised up here on the corners too. Most cases you don't see that. They're flat. It's raised on this corners too. However, it's raised here. So I'm not really sure. I guess they just to give it added material on the corner in case you drop it. It's certainly not going to scratch. Does not wobble. Provides a decent amount of material lip on the case, so it protects your cameras. As you can tell. And then there's a nice little lift here for the thermometer and flash. You do get a dot matrix, it looks like, here on this back camera bar. I don't see the dot matrix design on the back inside of the case. Looks like it was scratched. That's interesting up here. That might annoy some people, but I think I'd be alright, although I'm not using this case. But you can tell the dot matrix on the top here, on the top half where the blue is. You can see that dot matrix as well. Although there is no dot matrix on the back, so that the clear part, so that's nice. Now this does have a glass screen protector, which does raise the screen a bit, but this has a ginormous lip, so on all four corners, so you're not going to be scratching or touching the surface of your device when you lay it down flat. Does not wobble. And there's that cutout for the stupid 5G antenna. Cutout for the mic is lined up. Yeah, see, that serves... I don't know. Cutout for your speaker grill up top. So it does fit, does not lift up on the glass screen protector we have here, which is nice. And obviously, the power cable connects. I'm sure almost any power cable would connect with that big of a cutout. It's huge. Look at that. Look how much room you got. Speakers are cut out nice and precise. So let's try the wireless charging. Wireless charger here. Shall we try? Oh, charging wirelessly right there. So that works. And it's very interesting. It looks like a heavy duty case. Definitely suitable for obviously indoor usage, office usage, gym usage. And this would definitely pass for outdoor usage. If you're going to SeaWorld, Fiesta, Texas, if you're going to be out and about, if you're at a festival, any place where you're going to be walking on concrete for long extended periods of time, gravel, this will save your device from dropping the phone, save your device from cracks, dents, anything you can imagine. It's a pretty thick, heavy duty case. I wouldn't use it, but I know there's not a ton of choices when it comes to heavy duty stuff. I mean, there is, but I guess this is just one of them. So very interesting. I'll leave a link for this in the description box. I have no idea where my wife bought it from, but I'm about to find out and link it for y'all. So if this interests you, please be my guest. We're not affiliated with any company, so we're not trying to sell you anything, or we're not getting any kickbacks. So if you like it, go ahead and make the purchase. If not, move on to the next and continue watching our channel. We have a number of cases to review here. Actually, specifically for the S23 Ultra, I have some more coming for the Pixel 8 Pro. And the Nothing Phone 2 got more cases. So please subscribe to the channel. We cover anything mobile technology. So reviews, news, app reviews, everything. If it has to do with mobile technology, we're covering it. So I do appreciate the time. Thank you very much. Please have a good rest of the day, and please be safe. Peace out.